hall is calm before the start of the General Assembly. You can see the beautiful marina of Valencia, and I'm very excited. It's post-COVID the first big CAMS General Assembly of over 200 people on site and also a similar number online. Very excited to see the CAMS community. The benefits of the General Assembly are I think, twofold. First of all, we don't meet a lot in person. We do a lot of telcos, and the General Assemblies once a year is the occasion where everybody meets. It's a big program, so everybody knows a little bit about his or her area of work, but there it's an opportunity to see all across the board what has been done in the past year. And the other opportunity is to discuss about what's ongoing, to share about solutions found to issues, and basically to keep the CAMS community together, because it's really through collaboration that we can really excel and provide products which are leading in the world.
The Spanish User Day workshop is an excellent opportunity to share experience and best practice about how can use the data and products and services that the Copernicus Atmosphere Monitoring Service is offering us to the end users. Not only for the public sector, that I think is clear. This is our, in my case, this is our mission as a member of the National Meteorological Services, but for the private sector, or how can collaborate from the private and public sector and the academia, because one important issue is to ensure the value chains.
We had a Cameo session this morning, and it was an opportunity not to be missed to meet at the CAMS General Assembly, because the main purpose of Cameo is actually to produce products of CAMS. So many people working in CAMS also work in Cameo. And specifically, we discussed two items which are sort of main topics in Cameo. One is the data assimilation for regional systems, and the other topic was the uncertainty estimates of emissions. And Cameo is just at the start, but it's very good to see already some progress, and we already have also, I think, a very good collaboration between people.
Well, this morning was obviously important for me, although it was a small session, but since I'm coordinating the development of the CO2 monitoring capacity, that's important for me. But I'm also looking forward to this afternoon, where we have the National Collaboration Program session, where I'm involved in, talking also about emissions again. And then tomorrow with the plenary sessions, just to get a good overview of where we are with everything within CAMS, and seeing some great results coming out of that.